So stick around to the end because I'm about to show you exactly how I made over $3,000 from US politics news using only AI. I never thought talking about US politics could pay that much, especially as a complete beginner. But then one morning I checked my YouTube dashboard and saw $3,879 made in a single month from just 400k views. That's almost $10 per 1,000 views. And look at this, 30k views brought in $300, the same thing, $10 as RPM, and all this as a complete beginner. So let me show you how it happened and how you can do the same. Now I want you to know that I'm not an expert, a kind of expert. I'm just a French guy living in France who already have a few YouTube channels monetized. You can go through my YouTube channel, this current channel, you will see them. And honestly, I used to see a lot of people talking about US politics news that is making a lot of money, so on, so on and so on. But I hated politics. I didn't want to talk about it. I don't want to have anything to do with it at all. Then for years and years, I ignored it. I never tried any YouTube channel in that niche. But that has completely changed when one of my friends actually showed me their results. I mean their earnings. He shows me his RPM. He breaks down every single thing, bro. And I couldn't believe it at all because what I thought it was super complicated. You needed paid and very expensive AI tools to do this kind of channel, to run this kind of channel. It wasn't like that. It was actually simple. This guy was never using any paid tool, any expensive AI tools. Everything he was using was free. When he explained everything to me, bro, I was shocked because his process is very simple and anyone can follow. And that's how I give it a try, even though I hated politics, right? And you can see that my channel pulled over 20,000 views in total in the first month and around 400 subscribers. It wasn't easy though, but I didn't give up. I continued posting video, and the next month I go harder and harder, and you can see I hit the monetization, and then things really started to pick up. So the real question here is, how can I start making money with this niche? And that's exactly what I'm going to break down step by step in this video. So whether you are a complete beginner in this niche like I was, you also can follow along. Bro, we are going to cover everything from finding topics, writing script, creating voiceover, generating visuals, editing and uploading. And the best part, you can do all this using only AI prompts. So here's exactly how I do it. The first thing I do is to take a transcribe from a competitor's video. You can go to YouTube to check some competitors in those niche and take a full transcribe of one of their best videos, okay? And then I give it a clear instruction to create a full outline. You don't need any fancy version, okay? The normal ChatGPT works perfectly, okay? So just provide the transcribe and the video title. ChatGPT then generate a detailed script outline and usually around 5,000 words with hooks, story section, and even closing or call to action. Once you have the outline, you expand it section by section using a second prompt, okay? So ask ChatGPT to expand each section with detail until the full script is complete, and from here everything is ready for your voice work. So here I'm going to take the script I've written, copy it and paste it into the tool and generate the audio. And for the voiceover, there are several AI tools out there. Just go and choose the one you like, but in the description I'll put some links there for every resource you will need for this kind of niche. So I take the script I've written, copy it and paste it into the tool and generate the audio. So the only limitation here is 10,000 characters. So what I do is I usually break the script into parts. It's very important. For example, if the script is longer, I will paste it section by section until the whole voice is generated, okay? So once the text is inside the tool, you can choose different voices. You can adjust the speed, pitch, and even emotion: calm, happy, dramatic, whatever fits your video. So after making your adjustment, you just click generate and the tool produces the voiceover instantly. You can then download the voiceover and import it into CapCut or your editing software. Now we have the script generated, the voiceover also generated. We've completed two big steps. Now let's head to the visuals. Now with just one prompt and two images, we can generate single picture that we are going to use for the entire video. The characters used in this video can easily be generated from the video title. Usually you find two main characters, okay, mentioned in the title or script. So once you identify them, you can create AI images of those characters, okay? For this, we can use Sora AI, okay, which generates realistic scenes of people or environment. For example, if your video is about a story, okay, you just take the two main character names, paste them into the tool and generate the visuals. That's it. To make it better, I usually take the character's name from the script, search it on Google image for reference, and then create a polished AI version. That's all. For example, here is an image I like. It's both clear and perfect for the thumbnail. This image has a slightly aggressive tone. That's what fits our scene perfectly. So I use it and I just save the image and it's ready in my file. Let's add to the second character. Let's say her name is Jasmine. Ask her for reference and find a strong picture. Alright, this one is good. This one fits her personality. In this case, aggressive to match the story. So I save that image too. Now I have both characters ready. Next we head into Sora AI, which is available in ChatGPT Straight. Click on the option and then interface opens. You can generate scenes directly from prompt inside your bundle. Alright, so there's a prompt for image section. Copy and paste it in Sora AI and upload both character images. After uploading, select two images, choose one aspect ratio. I recommend 3:2 and click remix. That's it. In about 2 minutes max, the AI generates brand new visuals based on your input. That's all. Okay. So one key thing, the same images you use for the background should be used also for the thumbnail. So once the generation is done, you will see the results. So pick the one you like the best, click three dots and hit download, and just like that the visuals are all ready. So now that we have the script, the voiceover and the visuals all generated, it's time to head to the next step, editing. So I'm gonna use CapCut as I said. So first we import everything into CapCut, but before that, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, is very important, and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss the next video coming soon. Please do it and we continue our video. So click import and start with the images. Set your video ratio to 16:9 and slightly zoom and adjust each clip until it looks right. For example, here it fits alright perfectly. Let's click import again and hide the voiceover. My voiceover here is 10 minutes, but yours might be longer if your script is around 30 minutes. Okay, so once both visuals and audio are imported, mix them together in the terminal. Now if you want to watch the video, you notice a shaking effect with some white dots, very important. So let's fix that and make it look professional. Search for the simple shake effect. It might be too fast at first, so reduce the speed and strength until it looks natural. Adjust it to your liking and that's all. For the moving white dot, search for noise in the effect section, apply it and add a subtle flows across the video, very important. This gives the video a texture and keeps it visually interesting. Alright, next let's add captions. Click text, then auto captions, choose English and click generate. After a short wait, the caption will appear, and at this point the captions are plain as you can see. So that's where templates come in. Go to the template section, pick one you like and apply it across the video. Bam. So this makes the caption look polished and professional, exactly what top competitors do. Alright, and that is it. The video editing is complete. When you look at other channel, you see that their video is very simple, not complicated. It's just visual, voiceover, caption and effects. That's all. So following this process keep your editing competitive. Okay, finally click export at the top, set the resolution to 1080p and 60 fps. This is the first time I'm saying 60 fps in a video. Then export, and just 3 simple steps and your video is ready. So listen, don't just watch this video and move on. Take one action today, pick one niche, test one topic and see what happens. If you found this helpful, subscribe, like this video and activate the notification bell because I'm going to show you more results, more untapped niches, and this is just the beginning. See you in my next video.